Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and I am struggling to come up with a description that does this very cool little unit justice. 4/78 School Road is humble from the outside, but once you step through the doors, you can see that this is not just another brick and tile unit. The owners have spent some time and money on this renovation, calling it a modern take on retro, and we think that it needs to be seen to be believed. With an elevated northwesterly aspect, you are basking in sunshine all day. And the versatile floor area presents us with an open plan living and dining, 2 bedrooms, one of which with its own gorgeous conservatory extension. The unit itself is tucked away, the setting surprisingly private, and the fabulous garden and deck provide the perfect spot to soak up the afternoon sun. There is a single garage and basement storage that offers plenty more scope. Create a brilliant home office, a studio, or more accommodation with some renovations. We know this is going to be popular with a wide range of the market, from first timers to downsizers and investors in between. Make sure you come along on the weekend and don't miss out.
Doesn't matter where we are.